Back, folks. We got another VW Routan for you. Low mileage, only 60,000 miles on a 2011. Over 18 dealer service records. Got the 3.6 motor in it. Loaded up SE. Real nice tires. Fresh brakes. Compliments of DasCleveland.com. Leather interior, navigation, dual DVDs. Rear climate, backup cam, luggage rack, privacy glass, sunshades, alloys, privacy or power rear gate. Let me just tell you, folks, this van is like brand spanking new. It's got no abuse in it. It doesn't look like a family of kids have been in it and driven it hard. This van is absolutely brand new. No accidents, no paint work on her. She's not all ripped up, tore up, doesn't smell. This is a really nice van, folks. And they're hard to find this clean, low mileage, and a couple years old. And it's dialed in. Everything works on it. She's been outfitted again with brand new brakes and a full service and safety inspection. Service contract's going to be included for 3 months or 45 miles over the complete drive line. This is the right one. Guaranteed credit approval will be in full effect on this van. Starting down payments on this 60,000 mile van, let's start somewhere around $795 starting down, folks. Couple paycheck stubs, possible bank statement if needed, hour of your time, and you can roll in the nicest van in the city. Abuse-free. Ready for all the troops. You know how nice this van is. And again, everything works. I've personally driven it, put some miles on it, and now she's ready for you guys. DasCleveland.com.